Hey Samantha, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about a Hardy Services Group, but before we get into that, my name is Joshua Gutierrez. I am with Peterson SEO. I love doing what I do and helping small business owners grow. So with that, let's get started. Now, one of the three things that I want to talk about is content. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords, and the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, when you do a Google search of landscaping Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, we find yours probably around the second and third page, uh, maybe the 20th position. But let's take a quick look at your website and see what's going on with it. Okay, so I really like the picture you have here. I like that you have request a call here and you have your home services and portfolio tabs here. I like that you have your Hardy Service Group logo up here with the feather. It's easy accessible for whoever clicks in here, which is really nice. But what Google really looks for is content. Now, Google looks for about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Now, from the looks of it here, it looks like you have maybe 30 words of content or so. So it could use some improvement on the content side. What I mean by content is a bunch of words that's describing how many words, and what you want to do is embed different keywords inside here that will help your business get found, so you can be in the realm of things for whenever they search for your business. Hardy Services Group, just so you know, is a not secure website at the moment, so you can use some work there. So let's kind of take a quick look and see where your competitor is. Pleasant Landscapes, they are on the top of the organic section. Now the organics is these top three. About 70% of your customers look through here and they pick these businesses. About 30% of customers pick up here. So mostly everybody, 70% picks here and the other 30 pick up here of your clients. So let's take a quick look at Pleasant Landscapes. Just kind of see what they're doing. Alright, so they have their phone number up here, which is clickable. They have their service area, portfolio. But from the looks of it, looks like theirs has a little bit more content. So by the looks of it, I would say, and it ends right there, I would say they have about 700 words of content. So they're not up there as well. So it'd be pretty easy to beat these guys in content. All we could do is you could even add just 1,000 words and we'd beat them. But um, it's best just to do what Google likes to see, and which is 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So with that, that's about all I have on the content side of things. The second thing I want to discuss is backlinks, and I want to talk about a little bit about keywords. So if you pull up, there's a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and I took the liberty of plugging in your website, and this is a live um, view of your site today as we speak. So right here it talks about the UR, which is the strength of your site, and the DR, which is the trust. And basically, what this shows is it's not a very trustworthy site right now in the eyes of Google. So that's pretty much what this means. Now you have 143 backlinks and 9 referring domains. The only reason why you have this much trust is because you have this organic words here. So with that being said, let's look at your competitor, kind of see what they're doing. And they have about a 2100, or excuse me, a 21 to 100 scale of trust with Google. Now they got 460 backlinks, 128 referring domains, 685 organic keywords. Now this is the reason why they're ranking is because they are in the local section of the space, to where they embedded 685 keywords inside each of these backlinks and whatnot. So that is why they are on the 21st position there. But let's get moving. But we have access to all these things. If you want to pull up their organic keywords that they're using, and also we have um, everything that they're using, we can use, and we have access to all this. So basically, there's 712 keywords here, and basically, um, you want to kind of look here at the volume. They have a lot of volume going through here. Look at what these numbers indicate that they're easy to rank for. So that's pretty much what they're doing here. But other than that, I mean, we have access to their backlinks and everything else that they're using. So everything that they're doing, we got to do a little bit better than they are to get us to rank on top of them as far as as far as keywords go and backlinks go. So with that being said, the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations are it's kind of um, like a digital blueprint for your business. So it's like a phone book, as you will, for the most part. So what you want to do is you want to optimize your Google Business Profile, which is up here, and you want to upload your website, um, save um, your pictures properly, make sure you're 100% um, your profile filled out on everything. So that's what Simply Green Landscaping is doing here. And all we would have to do is do more than what these guys are doing. And that's pretty much all it boils down to. We have access to check the citations of what these competitors that are taking all your traffic up here in this organic section, we have access to what they're using. So with that, that's pretty much all I have for you, Samantha. I hope this was valuable to you. It's free information for you to do whatever you wish. But you know, if you feel like you need help with any of this, feel free to give me a call. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Peterson SEO, 505-331-7995. And if not, no harm, no foul. And I hope the rest of the day is good to you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.